Parallel parking is a great skill to have. When parallel parking, look for space 3 to 6 car lengths ahead. Your speed should be no more than 5 to 10 miles per hour. When you have found a space, turn on the right turn signal and pull alongside the front car, such that you can see the car's windshield wipers. While looking out the back window and side windows, roll straight back until your rear bumper is next to the front car's rear bumper. Really slow speed is good. Turn the steering wheel all the way towards the curb. Continue turning until the car is pointed about 45 degrees into the space. Turn the steering wheel straight. Continue into the space until the front bumper has cleared the front car and the rear of the car is about 2 feet from the curb. Turn the steering wheel all the way away from the curb. Continue back. Now is a great time to use the backup camera. When close to the car behind, turn the steering wheel all the way towards the curb. Roll forward until the car is parallel in the space.